sweeties, and welcome back to my channel and this very exciting video because I am going to reveal to you the summer collection by Looxi Beauty. Love Looxi Beauty. They are one of my favorite brands and I've stuck with them for several years and I own almost everything that they have done. Some of it I bought myself, a lot of it I've gotten through PR because I do receive PR from Looxi. I did receive this collection as PR and I have an affiliate code with them. Just want to keep everything transparent with you. Do love the brand though, and if I didn't love the brand, I wouldn't be sharing a code with you and I wouldn't be sharing these things with you because it makes no sense for me to be talking about things that I don't love on my YouTube channel when there are so many things out there that are good. But I do love Looxi and I really love like indie brands altogether, and you know that. So Looxi is coming up with a summer collection. It is being launched tomorrow. This video is going live on Thursday and the collection is going live on Friday the 15th. It was actually postponed for a week because she had some problems with the mail getting it all out to different, like getting the PR out. I didn't receive mine until today, and today it's Wednesday, so it is the day before you're watching this video, and I know others didn't receive it either, so it has been some problems with the post office. So I think that's why she decided to not stress it and instead release it 1 week later. But it is being released tomorrow on Friday the 15th. I will leave the prices and all of the details on what time it's being released and my code and everything like that will be down in the description box. I always leave all the details there. I'm gonna swatch all of the shades for you. It's 11 shades and they're all like shimmery metallic. Some of them are duochrome. The price of them are $5 each, which is the normal price for Looxi, and then you can apply an affiliate code on it and get 10% off, which basically means that you can get the price down a bit lower. Also, you can buy them in a bundle. You can buy 11 shades for $50 and then you can use a discount code for 10% off, and then it's dropping down a bit more. Math is not my thing, but I will put all of the details, like I said, down below in the description box if you're interested in picking some of these up, or the whole bundle, or none at all. Maybe you just want to see what's new and out there. And I am wearing 7 of the 11 shades on my eyes right now and I love it. Like, look at this. I am like a tropical fruit basket from the 80s. What's not to love? Me, honestly, I so excited about this look, and I did film it. It is not going to be live tomorrow because I have something else that I want to post tomorrow, but it's going to be live next week. So keep it calm. It's coming and I'm so excited about this look. I can't wait to share it with you. So let me put all the details away and then we can go into what the shadows actually look like. And this is the collection. Oh, these are the 11 shades and I tried to split them up according to like color family. I would say that there's actually only 2 neutrals in this collection, but first I thought there were 4, but I was wrong. This one is not neutral at all. It is a bright like duochrome with a strong like violet shift. So beautiful. This one is a neutral. It is a duochrome between a like almost goldy beige and a like rose gold shimmer. It's very beautiful, and if you want to try duochromes and you don't like bright colors, maybe this is for you because this is like an everyday office duochrome. You can get away with this duochrome in the office, but it is really pretty. It's just, maybe it's not my exact cup of tea because I prefer bright colors. I mean, obviously, look at me. I'm a carnival, okay? But yeah, that one is a neutral, and also this one is a neutral. It is called Baked, and it is like a coppery brown. This one I thought was a neutral, but it's actually pretty bright of an orange is what I have in the middle of my lid. And then I thought that this one would just be a gold. It is not. It is like a pale beige base with a duochrome old gold lime green glittery, very shimmery formula, and I love it. Both of these two have like very glittery shimmery formulas that are absolutely amazing on the eyes. You can spray your brush and make them pretty opaque, or you can layer them over other eyeshadows to give them that sparkly amazing finish. They're so beautiful. So I thought that this was just gonna be a gold. I was wrong. It's what I have in my inner corners. It is that lime green glittery thing you see in my inner corners. Absolutely stunning. So let me swatch all of these. And first of all, the collection is called Summer Sinner. So all of these shade names are inspired by somewhat sinful summer activities. And you will see what I mean when we get into swatching them. So I'm gonna start with the three that are more of the pinky shades. First one is the one that I said had a bit of an like a purple violet shift. This is called Walk of Shame. Like I said, simple names. And this is almost like the sweet tooth. Yeah, she has, I hope she has, because it's a beautiful shade, Sweet Tooth. Pick that one up as well if you're ordering from Looxi. It's stunning. It is like this one, but pink. This one is a violet duochrome. This one is a great inner corner highlight or a topper if you're doing like a smoky look or a purple look and you want to bring some more violet to it. It has some fine pinky micro glitter into it, and it's absolutely stunning. I will provide you with some close-up swatches after I live swatch all of these. That's usually how I do it when I have the ability to show you new collections before they launch, because I want you to be able to make up your own mind before purchasing things and seeing if there actually seems to be something that you would like. This one is Sex on the Beach. It is what I have in my outer V on my lid, like the outer part of my lid. That's what I want to say. It is a beautiful fuchsia shimmer. It is, oh, this one was the one I knew I wanted to use when I got it. I was like, yep, we are using this one. So beautiful. It is not super dense, which makes it maybe a bit easier to work with if you are afraid there's some shades are a bit too oily for you. I would say that neither of these are that super oily consistency, so if you have problems with shimmers creasing on you, even if you use primers, you're probably gonna love these. They will perform their best used with a finger or with some fixing spray or just a damp brush. You can spray your brush first and then go into Looxi singles. I've done that and it works for me as well. If you just want to dampen your brush on like a wet sponge or something, that also works. This one is Tease. It is the one that I said was like a goldy rose gold duochrome. It's like the Office duochrome. It is very beautiful. I don't know if you can see the duochrome, but I actually do think you can, because the duochrome is very strong in this one. It is just very toned down colors, and I appreciate that. I think a lot of people would really appreciate this, and if you're into neutrals and you want to try duochromes but you're afraid of getting one of those like super crazy ones, I think you'd appreciate these a lot. Next shade is the shade that my eyes went to second after seeing that pink, because I love a good pink eyeshadow, and it is this one that's called Trippin. It is a baby blue shadow that has a bit of a violet shift to it, like a violet sheen maybe more. It is very pretty, and you do need some Fix Plus to get this to be opaque, but this is the oh, so beautiful. I love a baby blue like this. This one is perfect for your inner corners or on your lid when you're doing blue in the crease, to really get the blue look to be dimensional, because it's really hard to find lighter blue shades. I don't really know why, but this one is really beautiful. It's what I have in my inner third of my lower lash line. I am so happy that I have this one. I want to use this with some really nice blue looks. Ugh, beautiful. And then next one is called Slurp. This is a duochrome. It is a seafoam green and like an old gold duochrome. It is not super strong, but you can see like the sheen is a old gold and then there's like a seafoam base. It's not super strong of a duochrome, but it's really pretty, and this one would go very good with greens or reds or blues or even neutrals, because it has that goldy shift. Very pretty. And then we have this one that's called Tipsy. Who doesn't want to be tipsy? This one is a dark pool turquoise. When I did this look, I have this in the middle part of my lower lash line. I said that this one looks like a pool at night, you know, when the pool is all lit like with lights and it's dark outside. It has this kind of color. I think it's beautiful. So this is what that one looks like. It is a beautiful dark turquoise pool color. Next is another color that has a slight duochrome, and this is Side Chick, and it has a like a dark blue, dark purple slight shift. This would be amazing on the lid for a smoky eye. Just some like smoky colors in the crease. It is what I have in my outer third of my like lower lash line. It is very pretty. It is like a toned down duochrome though. So it's like, oh, I almost crumbled it a bit. It is like not super duochromy or like in your eyes. And this is not the most pigmented color in the bunch, but it is a pretty color. And if you, same here, if you want to get into duochromes but you don't want to get anything that's like super duochromy because you're afraid of how it's going to look on you, this one is a slight duochrome and it's more of a satin, this one actually. But yeah, I think it's pretty. And like I said, it's what I have on my outer third of my lower lash line. Wow, that made no sense. I actually dug my nail into it as well. That's not good. Don't do that, kids. This is my third favorite color in the collection, and this one is called Lick It, Slam It, Suck It, and it is a bright lemony yellow. This is not like, it's not too dark, it's like a lighter lemony limoncello shade, and it is, oh, it's so beautiful. It is what I have here on the inner third of my lid and then blended into that like green shimmer. Look at that, it's so beautiful and summery, and this is such a nice way of getting some color in your look without being too crazy. I think this is such a pretty shade. I'm so excited to be owning this. I love yellows. I've been so into yellows lately, and this one is a great addition to my collection. This is the shadow in the collection that I was most surprised about. I thought that this was going to be like a pale gold. It is not a pale gold. It has a like a beigey base, but the shimmer in this is spectacular because the base is almost my skin color, and then this shimmer, almost glittery finish, is like a old gold lime green duochrome, and this one is spectacular. The finish of this is so pretty. It's one I have in the corners. You will see in the close-up swatches the glitter of this one and the first one. So pretty, and I was so surprised about this one. I think it's beautiful. I imagined this would be so pretty, like layered over like a gold, and together with greens, this would really, like, the greens would bring out the lime in this. Oh, I really like this, and I didn't think I was, but I do. This one is called Lockjaw, and this is the one that I thought was going to be a neutral, but it's actually a very nice like nectar orange. It is what I have in the middle of my lid, and look at that. So beautiful. It's like a orange nectar beautiful shimmer. If you like oranges in your crease and you're tired of putting golds on your lid, something like this could take your look to a new place, because an orange on the lid, like an orange shimmer, is not as common as you would think, but you do see some nowadays. I'm really happy about this, and this one, Lockjaw, was really nice, and like I said, it's in the middle of my lid and I think it's beautiful, especially together with this pink. Yum. And the last one is called Baked, and this is a dark brown burnt coppery shade. It is pretty. It is just not my type of shade, but it is pretty. It's very smooth, very pigmented, and it's not a bad shade at all. These four here in the bottom, together with like an orangey red crease, would be an amazing fiery warm neutral with a twist look. So beautiful, I am sure of it. And actually this one could be a nice like all of the lid color if you want to have some kind of a coppery look. That's not really my cup of tea though, but it's not a bad shade at all. But I have to say that when I first saw pictures of this collection, I was like, you know what, I don't know if I'm gonna like this collection, maybe a color or two, but now I put 7 on my eyes and I love how these play together. It is so tropical, it is so beautiful, and I think that she did such a good job with bringing in something unpredictable in this collection. And I just looking in the mirror, I love this look. I love most of these colors and I'm very excited to own them and to play more with them. Let's just get into the close-ups. that was everything for this video, and this was everything of the swatches as well. Let me know how you think about this collection. What is something that you would have loved to see? I would personally have loved to see some mattes to go with this, but inside information, Looxi is coming out with a new matte collection for fall. Don't tell anyone I told you. I'm always excited about matte shades, but I have to say that I am more excited about these shades now that I have them on my eyes than I was before, and I cannot wait for you to see this tutorial as well. But just take my word for it and look at my eyes. So fun, so fun. I really like it. But yeah, that was everything for this video, I think. What is playing in the background? Why is there ducks in the background? What's going on? Is this the end of the world? Maybe. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The button is down below. If you want to see some more information about this collection or other things regarding this video, they're always down in the description box. Don't forget to check there. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye!